Calscruta Stucco Mirror Athena Tile. Bring comfort home with Calscruta, a micro-porous mineral decorative coating with strong natural connotations. This finish can be combined with mirror stucco geometric stencil effect, creating a sophisticated interior. We are now going to learn the application process of the Calscruta Stucco Mirror Athena Tile finish. Materials required: Royale Play Calscruta, Royale Play Protective Coat, Royale Play Stucco Mirror. Tools required: trowel, scraper, Athena Tile Stencil, putty mixer machine or handheld mixing rod, painting tray, color wash sponge, an application roller, sanding paper grade 180, 320, 500, 3000 and 5000. Steps of application to create this finish are: Step 1. Primer plus putty plus primer. Step 2. Application of 2 coats of Calscruta. Step 3. Shading with tinted protective coats. Step 4. Application of Athena Tile Stencil with Royale Play Stucco Mirror. Step 5. Sanding of stencil area. Let us see the application process in detail. First step is primer plus putty plus primer. Tip: surface should be leveled enough and free from any kind of defects. Do not prepare base using solvent-based, oil-based undercoats. Next step is application of 2 coats of Calscruta. Apply 2 coats of tinted Calscruta throughout the surface using trowel and scraper. Ensure that the scratch marks are not seen throughout the material deposition. Allow it to dry for 4 to 6 hours in between 2 coats. In the next step we will apply Royale Play Tinted Protective Coat. Shading to be done on wet in 3 different shades with the help of color wash sponge randomly. Take some amount of tinted PC shade 1 and dab on the surface as shown in the video. Do this with both shades on the remaining wall randomly. Allow it to dry for 1 to 2 hours. Next step is application of stucco mirror with Athena stencil. Place the stencil on the wall surface and stick it using masking tape and apply stucco mirror over the stencil layer. Slowly remove the stencil. Now buff the stencil part using close pour buffing technique. Allow it to dry for 4 to 6 hours. Final step is to buff the surface with sanding machine. Buff the stencil part by using sanding paper No. 3000, 5000 with full speed. Wipe the surface using clean and dry cloth. Drying time: Royale Play Calscruta, 4 to 6 hours in between 2 coats. Royale Play Protective Coat, 3 to 4 hours. Stucco Mirror over 6 to 8 hours. Coverage: Royale Play Calscruta, 5 to 6 square feet per kilogram for 2 coats. Royale Play Protective Coat, 250 to 300 square feet per LTRS for 1 coat. Stucco Mirror, 12 to 14 square feet per kilogram for 1 coat. Shades used: Royale Play Calscruta, Beige, N0302. Royale Play Protective Coat, Polished Blue, X149. Solemn Gray, 8302. And Coal Mine, 8301. Stucco Mirror of Sour Cream, L166.